the clamp. If cleave is ready, use it, else attack the nearest enemy. Okay, we've done this plenty times. While true. Munchkins are attacking. The swarms will come at regular intervals. Whenever you can, cleave to clear the mass of enemies. So while true, we have an enemy. So last time. I think that's why I was a little off with that code, but let's go. Get over here. Oh, that one was a little feisty. Try to get some extra hits in. Oh, that was a long battle.